Hey guys, I'm Chris from RinseKit, and this is our 12-volt heater. We're going to show you how it works today. This 12-volt heater fits in either your RinseKit PLUS or your RinseKit POD. And the way you install it is you basically unscrew the drain plug, take the heating probe, line it up, go ahead and tighten it down. Go ahead and tighten it down by hand and just make sure you're not cross-threading anything when you're tightening it down. And then go ahead and use the supplied wrench to tighten it down all the way. To install it in your pod, just take the drain plug out the side of your pod. Place the heating probe in the side. Go ahead and tighten it down by hand and just make sure you're not cross-threading anything when you're tightening it down. And then you can use the wrench to go ahead and snug it down all the way. So now once you're in your car, go ahead and plug this into the cigarette plug, and you can press 30, 60, or 90-minute timer to go ahead and start heating. If you look on the back here, you can see the red LED will come on when the heater is on, and the 12-volt LED will come on when your cigarette plug has power. Thanks again for checking out our 12-volt car heater. Please feel free to reach out to us if you guys have any questions.